What's going on, guys? Dan Kraus here again, back in the shop. And today I'm gonna do kind of a brief overview of some of the new tools that I've been using, some of the newer ideas I've had and come up with. I will start with this Stucky light here. Great, wonderful little light. This is the lens that it comes with. It's a nice lens, gives a good reflection, a nice fog. But if you wanted to change colors, I'm going to show you how to do that really easily. So these are just, I bought these at Hobby Lobby. It's just a picture frame and it's just plastic. And then you also can get this vinyl, very thin, kind of transparent vinyl at Hobby Lobby as well. I just got 3 colors. They're $4 a piece. I think the plexiglass was, I can't remember, like $10 or something. It wasn't very much. So I thought I would give it a go and just see what I could come up with. So I'll show you what the lights look like on the car. But you can see I've got 4 different ones I've made here. And this one's just yellow. Here, I'll put it on the car and show you. The other light that I use is this Pro PDR light. I got this off of Dentcraft. It's a great light. I usually use this for hail or, you know, bigger jobs. But anyways, that's a great light. It's got a dimmer on it. You can turn these all off individually or one or whatever you want to do. So it's a pretty nice light. But yeah, so there's that. All right, so I cut the plexiglass with a razor blade. Basically just make a bunch of slits and then break it. It's kind of like a sheet of drywall or something. Anyway, so here's the green one. So I really like the green. The green one's leaves definitely a darker, it's a darker tint. So this is the darkest one I have. But on a black car, and sometimes what I'll do to be able to see the dent even better is I'll turn the lights off in the shop. Since I can't dim these lights, I'll turn them all off and then I'll just do everything in the dark, or at least all the finishing work in the dark. Obviously move your light back, but it'll help you kind of finish your dent. Sometimes, I mean, it helps me, so maybe it'll help you, maybe it won't. So that's the green one. And here's the orange one. I really like the orange one too. That's why I picked these 3 colors specifically. My eyes just seem to react better to these 3 colors than anything else. So I've tried a lot of other colors, and green, yellow, orange seem to be, at least for my eyes, they help me see everything a lot clearer in the fog. So maybe it helps you, maybe it doesn't, but it's a super inexpensive way to make your own lenses, and you can do any combination you want. I mean, I even made one with lines in it. It's kind of big, but I just used some fine line tape. Make sure you line that up good. You might get a strange result on a dent. So I'll show you what the last one looks like here. So this, I think the lines definitely need to be closer together on that. So I'll take these back off and put some pinstripes or something to make them closer together. But yeah, so that's it for my lights. That's all I use. All right, so before I go, I thought I would just show you one more thing. I'm going to turn the lights off in the shop, and I'm going to dim this light down, and I'm just going to show you what a difference it's going to make. So I'm not sure how well this is going to show up in the video, but now I will just turn the light down so it's very dim. Now, with it being really dark like in the room like this and having the light on it, your eyes are only going to be drawn to the panel itself. When the lights are on, your eyes are gonna be distracted. Sometimes you might feel a little bit dizzy. This is really gonna focus you in and help you a lot, especially in the beginning stages of paintless dent repair. All right, so for the next video, I'm going to turn my Kiko K-bar into a tension beam, and I'm just gonna use this steel I have here and cut it down and basically make another leg for this side, but I'll be able to move it. You can buy one, but I can make one, so I'm just gonna make one and show you how to do that. So that's what that stuff's for. This stuff here is, I'm going to make another little edge plier tool out of this stuff. And also in the next video, you see I've got this slide hammer. This is just a 1/2-inch socket extension. I drilled a hole through it the right size of this dowel. So I'm gonna put that in there, put that through, and then here's just a hook that I picked up, and I'm gonna cut that off and weld this sucker right in there. So that way, say I wanted to use this pull contraption from Metal Medic on one of their big tabs with this hammer, nice and easy. So now I'll just be able to swap it out. But anyways, stay tuned for that. I'm gonna make all that stuff and put it in one video. So catch you guys on the next one.